But
The audio
how
wasn't transferring,
is there
so
a
I'll be a
taser?
voiceover what I
shift
said
one?
Sasha.
There was a taser on shift 1. It is shift 1, but
Gosh.
oh my gosh. In the game, I have 1,000.
What? That?
1,000 what? 1,000 what? Oh, wait, books.
How did your secretary exist?
Oh, wow. Oh, secretary. I don't know. I really don't know, but. Old? No. Wait. Here's a taser. Do you have the taser? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he has a taser. Yeah, he has a taser.
Me?
No. Taser the patients there. Tase the patients in the lobby. Tase
Already?
Already? But tase them. Tase them. Dot.
I want to check in on the patient.
Wait, I wanna do something. Hold on. Dang. Wait, what? Oh, it's shift 1. Oh my gosh, it is shift 1. How do we have? Huh? Will me? What did he say? I think he said roommate. He said roommate. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is happening? This game is so glitchy, but what is this lobby?
I'm also checking as a patient.
Checking as a patient? Wait. How was there with the shop? How do I have $35?
What do you want?
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
What is happening? I don't know what's happening.
Thanks, eight.
Oh my gosh.
I think I don't know. I didn't read the. I don't know what you said. Help me. Medicine.
Go. It's right here. It's right. Is this shift 1 or am I lagging? Am I lagging? Oh.
Yeah, I'm so confused.
Yeah, I'm so confused.
Wow, that's good as new. You're amazing.
I feel you. Oh my gosh. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
One. It's a shift 1. How, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna.
Ouch.
My gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. YouTube, don't even know. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh.
Twice.
That's
stuck.
scary. What? I don't know what's happening anymore. It's so what the hell is the ambulance? Oh my gosh. There's a trick that I use. You can move while doing this to the corner.
Hospital
Oh my
test.
gosh.
2.
Who did it?
1. I don't know. I'm just hospital deaf person. I don't know.
Who? Oh my god. Dude, like who did it? Who did it? Oh wait, I'm gonna have to blur that out. Oh my god. Medicine. Okay. I'm so scared right now. Me too. Me too. Oh boy. Oh no, okay.
Shop closed.
Open the shop. Open the dang shop. Oh my gosh, open the dang shop. Open it. Open the shop. Open it. Open it. Go. Wait, it's shift. Huh? How is it shifted now? How? Huh? What is happening anymore? I don't know what's happening. How many patients do we have? What? He said I was too late. Wait. Actually,
I forgive.
he only comes once. So, I'm not doing that. Wait, I'm the surgeon, dude. I am the surgeon. Don't. I the surgeon. Don't. Just. Hey, it's raining now.
Rainy day.
Oh, I just gained sanity.
What?
I just gained sanity from the rain. The rain gives us sanity. This is cool. Oh, the cool. Wait. I want to see the rain. Hold on. Rain. It's raining outside. Oh my gosh. Am I doing that? But wait.
I got room 5.
It's raining inside. It's raining inside. How? What is wrong with my game? Wait, that's cool. It's part of the update. It's the mob. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Wait. No. Oh my god. What? Why, dude? Oh my gosh. It wasn't new. Amazing. Oh. Oh. I'll be for appointment. Wait, how did I gain that much? How did I gain that much money, but mine. I want to treat this dude. I want to throw him in the chest. This is new. I am treating them. Heck yeah. Yeah. Why do I have each?
Why does it look like that?
Oh, he has a flower and he has a whale tail. Oh my gosh, he has lips again. That's sick though. Look at him. Good boy. Wow, more 7. I take this dude. Wait. Oh, he's fish. He's fish. And he has like a tail and everything. That's cool. And this is one that I don't like. Yeah, I don't. Oh, hey, yo. He just said hobby. Hobby. That's his hobby. He said hobby. No. No, I just want to lose the game, but I know that I can't. Anyways, he's gonna kill. No! What are you doing? Hey, ow. Wait, your mouth. What? Bye. No, bye. Bye. No, I'm so sad. No, he gone. He gone. It's too late to get you. He gone. Oh, wait, it's another one. Another ambulance. We just had one in shift 20. It would be shift 10 by now. There's only ambulances. Oh my god. And we had like 3 patients on shift 1. Oh my gosh, no, why? No, not again. Why do we have to do this? I'll do one. Ouch. Wait, oh crap, no one's doing 1-5. I'm go. Oh my gosh, go. Go. Oh my gosh. I have to multitask this. Cause I can't good multitask it. What's this? Oh my gosh, what's that? I think it was costume. I think it was it is. Oh, it wasn't costume. I'm gonna have to do that quickly. Speed, that helps. Oh wait, that's crazy, dude. Wait, I swear if he kills a patient, I will. He's doing it, right? Oh, yeah, he's doing it. He's good. Bro, I'm gonna get the fire extinguisher. No, I am getting the fire extinguisher. On the bed now. On the bed. Off the door now. Follow, dude. Guess what happens when we're about to die? That's what happens. Turn around. And, hit the wall. Oh no, I forgot. No, I'll do it now. Gil, this is what happens when you kill 2 patients. This is what happens when it's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault, Gil. Gil, it's your fault. Don't do it. Wait, what? Bye. What do you mean? What do you mean, girl? Is she that annoyed? She might be that annoyed. Like, oh no, I might have been spoiling my life. Wait, how did I lose money?
To go.
I didn't even realize that when I was playing. Oh, she has to go. Bye, girlie. Bye. Bye.
She's also spelling right on. I think she's gonna fix it right. Girl, are you gonna speak? Speak.
Speak, girl.
Gilly, bad. Speak. 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 Speak, Ellie. Gilly, speak. Oh, I bark at you. Will you speak if I bark at you? If I meow at you?
Bye.
Oh, dang. She broke it. And she still spit it. Oh, you're gone. Room H1. Next target.
You to tweet me, doctor.
Down the bed.
You to tweet me. Ooh.